5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Cunt.
From 270.
Bastard.
270.
You want to get
one
it now?
left. One left 500.
Alright, my man.
Chicane right entry, 4 bales. 60, slot square right. $60 slot square right. Slot square right. Go on, 130. Let's go. One left past the over crest past rails.
Man.
You're flat to the chicane. 230 after it, and then 2 left, and then you've 350. You've good braking on your chicane. It's right entry. $200 then over gravel. 200 over gravel and square left. $450. Let's go. $450. That's a flat crest in front of you. And you've 100 after it. Flat crest. Here. And then you've 2 right over crest. And then 150. 2 right. 2 right over 150. Chicane right entry 4 ways. You're flat to your hairpin left now, okay? Go on. 150. 1 left and 2 right.
Yeah.
And 2 left over crest, 150.
Yeah.
1 right through the dip, and then you've 1. Here's your 1 right through the dip, and then you've 130. Hairpin lift at the bales. You're flat to your square right now. Flat. 130. Long 2 left. And 2 left again. 2 left, 2 left again, 80 left on black crest, and the 2 right. 2 left, 2 right, 200 down the middle, slot square right at the bales. Into 3 right, into 3 right, 200. And crest into your chicane right entry, 4 bales. Right entry, 4 bales. You have a flat crest out of it, 250, and then a 5 right at the... You have a short 5 right at the bottom. Come in late. Come in late. You have 130 out of it. 130, that's a flat crest. 100, right on crest. 60, 1 right. 130, crest jump. Go on hard over this jump now, and then you 170 over rough. 170 and 2 left up. 2 left up, crest 60, and then a 1 left. 130, chicane right entry, 4 bales. 1 right and 100 over up. 1 right, 100 over up, and then you have a 3 left into a 2 left. Keep in on the 2 left. Keep in on the 2 left. 200 and a 5 right at the bottom. Come in late, very short. Then you 40 and a 5 left. 40, 5 left. Keep in on this 5 left into a 3 right. 5 left and 3 right, 80, turn square left in front of you. Go, 2 left, 60, 3 right in. Go on the 3 right, go on the 3 right, right on crest, 1 left, 100. Then you go 1 left, 130 and a tight 3 right. And a 3 left, tight 3 right and a tight 3 left. 100 all the way to chicane 4 bale. Chicane 4 bale. You have 1 left out of this. 1 left, 130. And 1 right and a very long 1 left. 130 and a fast 4 right and a 4 left. Use the road. This is where you're going to make up your time. Go on, left on crest, 60, 3 right go, 3 right go down. Then you have a 3 right after again. Only 63 left. Only 60, tight 3 left. Then we laid 4 right into 3 left. And 40, 2 left. And 3 right, 3 left line. 3 right, 3 left line. Then you've got 2 right. 130 bus stop, slippy, left entry. Go on, 2 left. Over crest, 500. Slow on the crest before the chicane, right entry 4 bales. Come on, Tyson.
Come on, motherfucker.
Right entry 4 bales. 170 out of it and a flat crest. Go. 170 flat crest, 200 all the way to square right.
What's this country?
Square right at the bales.
Right.
130 after us. Square right. Go on. Square right, 2 left and a 3 right. Go. 2 left, 3 right. The 3 right slippy. On 200 over the finish. Let's go.
Yeah, Padraig. Fair play, boy.
Fair play. I hope the fuck we made up the time.
I know.